plane can pass through here. The elevation will be too high. That's why this zone, from that end to that end, this whole box area is very suitable for paragliding in Kathmandu. From here, you can view all the three districts of Kathmandu Valley: Lalitpur, Bhaktapur, and Kathmandu. Beside those hills, we have the hilly region of Kabre district. So while flying, you can have a very beautiful hilly region of Kabre district. Okay, and about in the main season, like October, November, normally the weather is not so good today, but we can see the south of Annapurna that you can view from Pokhara as well. In that part, we have the south of Annapurna, the mountain range, whole range up to Mount Everest. We have 270 degrees of panoramic mountain view. So you can enjoy the majestic mountain view from Kathmandu paragliding. We have a very good team of experienced pilots, so you don't need to worry about flying. Just enjoy the flight. So this is the harness. Okay. So you're gonna be seated inside this harness, like this. Okay. We have all the safety measures that you will be tied up, like this. Okay. Like this. We have another one here. So like this, you're going to be seated on the air. And this is called the carabiner. By this, you can be attached with the pilot behind you. You're going to be seated in the front, and the pilot will be behind you. The capacity of this is 200 kg. One can hold 200 kg. So four can weigh 400 kg. It's very good quality one. So you're going to have this safety helmet also, and you can wear your sunglasses because in the air some might got something inside the eyes, so you can wear the sunglasses, no problem for that. So when the team is ready for the flight, you just need to sit in front like this, and the pilot will be in the back of you. When you say are you ready, you're going to be a little bit attention position. So just listen to the pilot before the flight, okay? Whatever he says, just follow him and be a good company, give a good company to him. So when you say ready, you need to be ready. When you say walk, you need to walk a little bit. When you say back walk, a little bit back walking. Okay? Don't need to turn your body like this. Just face forward and just walk. Listen to what he said. And when you say run, you just need to run few steps from here. Run as fast as you can. Don't stop running. The one thing you should remember is you don't have to stop running or jump, because that will destroy the balance, momentum. So both of you are going to be running. So if you stop running, then the balance will be off, so that you can get some roll down. So that's why you just need to remember, you just have to run fast. Nothing. And don't have to stop or jump. Okay? So be a bird for a moment. We all welcome you in the sky. Enjoy.
Yes, thank you so much.